Hi guys! Today, let us briefly discuss the levels of biological organization. Organisms can either be unicellular or multicellular. These are categorized according to the number of cells in the body. Unicellular organism depends upon just one cell for all of its functions. Examples are algae and amoeba. On the other hand, a multicellular organism has cells specialized to perform different functions that collectively support the organism. Examples are plants, animals, and humans. As they grow and develop, they become highly organized and specialized. Let's start describing the levels of biological organization from lowest to highest. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Some examples are prokaryotes, white blood cells, epithelial cells, and bacteria. The tissue is a group of cells performing a similar function. Epithelial, connective, nervous, muscle tissues are a few examples. Next is the organ, a group of tissues performing a similar function. The heart, brain, kidney, and skin are just some of the organs. When a group of organs performs a similar function, this is now called the organ system. Some organ systems are the circulatory system, digestive system, and excretory system. The individual living thing made up of one or more organ systems is called an organism. Humans, animals, and plants are all organisms. When a group of organisms of one type lives in the same area, we have the population. An example is the population of hawks, owls, and eagles in a specific place. A population that lives together in a defined area is a community. There is a community in ponds, grassland, and deep ocean, among others. We can describe the ecosystem as the community and its non-living surroundings. Examples are deciduous forests and coniferous forests. The highest level of biological organization is the biosphere. It is the part of the earth that contains all ecosystems. It is where life exists. That's all for now. I hope you learned something today. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us create more educational videos. Thank you so much.